who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Mom,
I'm gonna leave this room soon.
I'm gonna take
Go
this.
back over here.
Now move it.
We got this, guys. We got this. Ready?
Is there a waffle? No, Dad.
Okay, I promise. Okay. It's not scary. You don't worry.
This is the moment I've been waiting for.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll!
That was crazy.